We as a district, we align, I'm the elementary coordinator and Dr. Melanie Watson is the middle school, high school coordinator. So a lot of the things that we do, we have a vision set for our district of the way that we want this to be rolled out in Houston County. Two of the teachers, Angie Battle and Jennifer Zumberis, are actually a part of a committee that we have as a task force of how we get this work done in our system so that we can grow them as leaders, teacher leaders, but then also have lesson studies in classrooms for them. The videos that we're doing with Angie and with Jennifer could be used as a lesson study. So when we pull teachers by grade level, we could be studying pedagogy or we could be studying the content. So I think those are just natural extensions of ways that the videos can be used in other ways.
One way you can use videos with teachers is providing excellent models, right? Inquiry, when you throw that word out, it can be kind of nebulous to teachers. It can be frightening, it can be overwhelming. But when they see it, then they realize, oh, it's not so threatening and overwhelming as I thought, and I can do that.
I think our teachers will really be glad to use a training video like this because they know that their colleagues within the state were a part of creating the video. And I think that that brings some validity to the use of the video. As a district coordinator, I definitely intend to continue to use these training videos and really make that a piece of the coaching for teachers.
I think instructional videos can help teachers by providing a very concrete example, and I think that examples are very powerful. You can read about something, but if you see it, that idea that you're seeing something in action is going to help teachers make that shift. I think modeling is key, and if they can see it, they can do it.